Hunsicker here. Just wanted to show you really quickly what it's going to look like for you, where you need to go, some things that you need to navigate and that sort of thing on your Canvas site, and how to meet me and how to come to your Zoom lesson on either Monday or Tuesday. The first thing, if you go through Clever, you can get into your Canvas. You have access to your Canvas, and this is where I'm putting everything. So you definitely want to make sure that you're in Canvas when you come to math class, okay? Right now, I am on my dashboard, and I'm just going to show you in this first class. I know it says Algebra 2. For those of you that are in geometry, I promise you it's the exact same. So the home page is set up the exact same, okay? I just want to show you a couple of things, though, that you can do. So when you're in the correct period, okay, in your math class, this home page pops up. This is supposed to be me sitting on the beanbag. And look at my little cat Shadow. She's so cute. Okay, so anyway, so here's what you're going to do. On your home page, if you scroll down, there are 3 different places that you can click. These are going to be the 3 places where you're going to find the most helpful, I would think, during math class, okay? There's one for Zoom. These are going to be your Zoom links. If you just click on it, it takes you right to whatever day and time. Again, I know I'm in second period, but it looks the same for the other ones. And you can access your Zoom link right there. Then you can also click on modules. Modules is where this is your agenda. This is going to show you what we're going to do for the week. And so you can see I've got it organized. So here's week 1. Okay, and then if you click in there, here's everything that we're doing this week, or going to try to get done during this week. Okay, if I go back to home again and I scroll down to where it says latest news, this is where I'm going to post any kind of announcements that I may have. This video, when I get done with it, is going to be here, that sort of thing. So if, let's say, we're working on an assignment and I say, hey, don't worry about doing number 10, I'll probably post that in there as well, okay? You are welcome to go in and click through any of the other things that pop up. Now, I know that I was on my side of things. On the teacher side, this is what the actual student view looks like. You don't have quite as many places to go over here, but that's actually good because I don't even know what half of them mean. So, but again, right, you have access to your Zoom links, your modules, and then the latest news. I look forward to seeing all of you on our Zoom call on Monday or Tuesday, depending on what class that you're in. Please make sure you shoot me an email if you have any questions.